Tutorial explaining the commonly used transaction and master entry screen buttons. 1. New entry button. As explained in other master and transaction tutorial videos, the new entry button has to be clicked before starting any entry. 2. Cancel button. Click the cancel button to suspend any new entry being created. This will display the last transaction from that terminal, if any. 3. Save button. The save button, again as explained in other master and transaction tutorial videos, is used to save the entry after all details are added. 4. Delete button. If you wish to remove an entry from the system, you may use the delete button. Display the record you wish to delete and click the delete button. The message record will be removed permanently appears with buttons OK and cancel. Click OK to proceed with the delete. If not, click cancel to return to the record. 5. The browse buttons. First, next, back, and last button. Click the first button to go to the first record. Last button takes us to the last record. Click back button to view the record previous to the one displayed. Similarly, click next button to view the record following the one displayed currently. 6. Find button. As the name suggests, it is used to locate a record by ID or transaction number. In the entry mode, Find button is disabled. Click Cancel button to exit entry mode. Click on the box above Find button. The format for ID or transaction is displayed. You can edit or remove the text and enter the ID or transaction number. Then click the Find button. If it is a valid value, the corresponding record is displayed. 7. Refresh button. In case of duplicate entry error due to incorrect entry or incomplete save attempt, you can try to resolve the issue by clicking the refresh button and re-attempting to save the record. 8. Exit button. Click the exit button to close the entry screen. In case we are in the entry mode, first click the cancel button and then click exit.